Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make chili vinegar sauce. First, let's gather our essential ingredients. You'll need about 1 cup of fresh red chilies, 2 to 3 cloves of garlic, and 1 cup of white vinegar or rice vinegar. Make sure your chilies are thoroughly washed and their stems are removed. Fresh ingredients are key to achieving that vibrant, zesty flavor we're aiming for. This simple preparation sets the stage for a delicious sauce. Now, let's move on to the preparation. Roughly chop your chilies and garlic. This helps them blend smoothly. Place these chopped ingredients into a blender along with your chosen vinegar. You can use white vinegar for a sharp taste or rice vinegar for a milder profile. Blend everything until it's smooth, or leave it a bit chunky if you prefer more texture. This step is quick and crucial for integrating all the flavors. Once blended, transfer your chili vinegar mixture to a saucepan. Bring it to a gentle simmer over medium heat. This cooking process helps meld the flavors and slightly thicken the sauce. Don't forget to add a pinch of salt and about 1 teaspoon of sugar. The sugar helps to balance the heat and acidity, creating a more rounded flavor. Let it simmer for 10 to 15 minutes, stirring occasionally until it reaches your desired consistency. After simmering, let your delicious chili vinegar sauce cool down completely. This is important before you transfer it into a clean, airtight jar. Properly stored in the refrigerator, your homemade sauce will stay fresh and flavorful for up to 2 weeks, ready to elevate any meal. It's perfect with noodles, dumplings, or as a dipping sauce. Also, for those looking to improve their financial well-being, be sure to check the description for a link to a fantastic book and other great deals. Enjoy your culinary creation.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.